Hey guys, this is a review and how-to on the Drtulz leather recoloring balm for cars. It comes with, this is the paintbrush, and it just has like an aluminum cover that you peel back. I didn't want to do all the way, but you could. And you can see it's sort of like paint. It's like a cross between ink and paint. Trying to be in focus here. And you just wipe it on the area. You can see you're just like painting it on. And of course you would do the whole area, and what that does is it gets it into these little grooves where it's discolored. And then just to speed this up, instead of doing the whole thing, which you would normally, you take your buff and just wipe off the excess. They do say to do like circular motion, so you can try and do that, but whatever works is what works. So you can see like you're getting the excess off, and then, you know, of course, let that dry. You can see like there's some areas where there's still quite a bit on there, but it just got into all of the grooves without having this like uneven layer. And as it's drying, you can maybe see it evens out. So yeah, that's how it works. You would do the whole thing, every area that needs it, and let it dry out. I'm also gonna put a moisturizing balm on afterwards, but yeah, I thought that was really cool. Nothing beats a brand new car, but if you have an old car and want to make it look just a little bit better, I thought this was a really cool tool and option to make it nicer.